Morning, fifth grade. It is Friday, which means social studies. I'm going to go over your assignment today, and then I'm going to make this short and sweet. So today, pretty much you are continuing what you started last week. So you started researching your historical figure for your wax museum project. Remember, if you have not started that yet, you kind of have an extra week to do it, but do not wait any longer, okay? You need to make sure you hop on these research notes. Make sure you fill in every section on the top. And then I wanted to remind you, there is a timeline at the bottom of this page. I don't know if some of you scrolled down that far to see it, but this is one thing that I do need you to accomplish today, is find some important dates for your historical figure. So you'll see I already put birth. You have to tell me when they were born, and you have to tell me when they died. You need 6 total events. Okay, so you'll notice there are a lot more spaces than that. So you have birth, death, and then you need 4 other ones. So if you have more, you're welcome to put more, but you need to have at least 6. That is your job for today, is finish this section up here and then put in your timeline notes. Okay. Yeah, it's going to be a pretty easy day. We will have Hangouts at 9 for 30 minutes, so hop on if you have some questions this morning. We have a super fun Friday activity planned for you, so please make sure you show up. It's going to be awesome. We also have a special guest, so you're going to want to see who that is. And then we'll have a normal Hangout this afternoon from 1 to 2. So I can't wait to see you. It's a Friday. We made it through another week. We'll see you in Hangouts.